I'm here today to ask for your support for grass pepper. This amazing initiative needs your help thrive.
Good morning, I'm Grass Pepper and welcome to lovely Wednesday morning. It's currently around 11:30 and 26 degrees. As you can see, we've got an upcoming lovely event, Lighting Up the Darkness, on the 18th of April. Starts at 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. at Fogarty Park. Food, entertainment and fireworks. It's Wednesday the 15th of April, and I thought I'd give you what it's like here in Cairns currently. As you can see, it's raining, lots of fun. Just remember, when you come down here, there's no camping overnight. To give you an idea, it's an extensive find. It used to only be $75. Now you're looking at $100+ if you do decide to try and stay down here. Follow the signs. When it says 3-hour parking in Cairns, you've got to be very careful. Make sure that it is only 3 hours. And that goes from Monday right through to Saturday. You can see tide's going out. But it's still an awesome day. Quite windy today again. You can see, nice, lovely, rainy day. They're changing the lights finally. The lighting was very bad here. I'm not able to see very well on that camera, but now with the new lights, no problemos. Look at all the crab pots out there. If this was a hot day, they would kill the crabs before they even get to them. don't forget, when you can always pause the screen here, take a screenshot, cut and paste yourself into a lovely picture of Cairns when it's raining. It's a beautiful day. Remember, Wednesday the lagoon is closed for maintenance till 12 o'clock. I'm Graz Pepper. I hope you enjoyed today. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and have a lovely day.